Mag bulb. This compact and handy device allows you to replace a bulb in one movement, making the replacement process much faster and safer. Mag bulb uses the same principle as magnetic adapters for charging devices. A base with a magnetic inlet is screwed into the lamp, while the other part is screwed into the base of the bulb, allowing you to put them together in a single movement. Thanks to the use of neodymium magnets and bronze connectors, the adapters provide reliable contact and are completely safe. It is worth noting that the magnetic adapter is compatible with all types of lamps and luminaries. The cost of the device is $15. Vortex. This simulator recreates the physical sensations of the virtual environment during a video game or a movie. This is possible by creating air currents of different intensity and temperature. This allows the user of the simulator to feel the cold, heat, or wind, as well as changes in the weather conditions of the virtual world. Thanks to its shape and size, Vortex resembles a standard loudspeaker. You can connect it to any PC and install it on the table next to the monitor. Using a unique technology, Vortex analyzes audio and video streaming in real time to simulate the right environment. You can buy this interesting gadget for $120. Quartz. Unlike other reusable bottles on the market, this one can maintain the temperature of the liquid and kill bacteria that accumulate in the container over time. It uses a built-in ultraviolet lamp that kills all microorganisms in the water. To start the cleaning mode, simply press the button on the bottle cap. After activation, the lamp will light for 1 minute and repeat the cleaning cycle every 4 hours. You can recharge the device with a micro USB cable, and after charging, it can operate autonomously for up to a month. Thanks to the heat-insulated walls, Quartz works also as a thermos. It preserves heat for 12 hours and cold during the day. The volume of the bottle is 525 milliliters, and its value is $60. Ludicase. Externally, this device is almost identical to a traditional phone case. The Gadget, made of durable polycarbonate, reliably protects your smartphone from scratches and possible damage from falling from a considerable height. On the back of the box, there are several playful elements, including 3 knobs and a rotating disc in the middle. A relief area and 3 metal balls are located on the underside of the rear panel for you to play with your fingers. In addition, Ludicase has its own application which complements the playful functions. The price of this gadget is $20. Sight. The creators of this gadget have shown that virtual reality technologies can be used not only for entertainment purposes. Its new development, which is based on augmented reality technology and computer vision algorithms, will help visually impaired people navigate better in space and live without a cane or a guide dog. Sight can adjust to the specific characteristics of each user and improve visual signals, increasing image contrast, brightness, and other parameters needed to perceive the surrounding reality. The developers have not yet revealed the price of this innovative development.